In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're brand new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you communicate effectively with your colleagues and teams in just a few steps. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams. If you haven't already, open your browser, head over to the Microsoft Teams website, and log in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Teams interface, the central hub where you can collaborate, chat, and stay connected. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a panel with several options like Activity, Chat, and Teams. Since our focus today is messaging, click on Chat. This opens your messaging interface where you'll see your recent conversations and have the option to start a new one. When you want to send a message, you have two main choices. You can continue an existing conversation or begin a new one. To start fresh, use the search bar at the top of the chat panel. Type in the name of the person or group you'd like to message, select them from the results, and the chat window will open. Now, let's compose your message. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll see a text box. Click inside it and begin typing. Microsoft Teams offers a variety of formatting options: bold, italic, underline, and even highlighting. To make your message clearer, you can also use emojis, GIFs, or stickers to add a bit of personality and engagement to your conversation. Once your message is ready, simply press enter on your keyboard to send it instantly. If you want to share supporting material, like a document or presentation, you can attach files by clicking the paperclip icon right next to the text box. A quick tip on etiquette: try to keep your messages clear, professional, and concise, especially in a work or academic setting. And don't worry if you make a mistake. Teams allows you to edit messages after sending them. Just hover over your message, click the three-dot menu, and choose Edit to make changes. And that's it. Sending a message in Microsoft Teams is straightforward, yet it's one of the most essential skills for effective collaboration. With this simple process, you'll be able to reach out, share updates, and get responses in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.